why we launched Qarpentri. We already have DesignCafe. That's because a lot of our customers wanted something that was not as personalized, but still of great quality. Now we said, all right, if customers want something that is not personalized with hundreds of colors, but still great quality for their rental homes or one of their rooms, why don't we give them something akin to a wholesale price? Which means we manufacture certain units at wholesale, buying raw materials in bulk, producing this in bulk, bringing down the cost of production. And if you buy these standard units from us for your rental home or even for your home, because these are standardized and produced in bulk, you get a price advantage. That's the only reason we started Qarpentri. It's great quality, it's just produced in bulk, which makes it cheaper for you to buy. We are India's fastest home interior brand today. We're the only one offering a 15-day delivery that's highly disruptive. We're the only one that's offering from direct to factory to home experience, which means that you can buy a kitchen today at 49,999 rupees. No other modular brand offers a kitchen for even less than 1 lakh. This is half of that cost, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Enough said. Qarpentri gives us access to Tier 2, Tier 3 markets, as well as customers that were largely ignored. The fact that we can solve for them is very exciting. The fact that Qarpentri can be sold by thousands of distributors is extremely exciting. It means that we will get penetration for this brand unlike with any other brand. So for us, the sheer reach and scale that Qarpentri can deliver is phenomenal. It can actually change the industry, and that's really exciting. So if you're looking for high quality home interiors delivered at factory prices in 15 days with a 5-year warranty, look no further. Just visit Qarpentri.com.